everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you some party wear kurti designs. So continue watching the video till the end to know various types of party wear designs of kurtis, and also hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and do comment me in the comment section below to know how you find this video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.